In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Klaviyo emails using your business email address. We'll walk through this step-by-step process so you can easily set up your Klaviyo account to send emails professionally branded with your business details from start to finish in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Klaviyo or just looking to make sure your emails reflect your business identity accurately, this guide is here to help. First, open your internet browser and type in www.klaviyo.com. Once the page loads, you'll want to find the login button. Go ahead and click on it to bring up the login page. This is where you'll enter your Klaviyo account credentials, your email address and password. If you're already familiar with this process, it should only take a moment. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your Klaviyo account interface. You'll see your company name listed there. Clicking on it will bring up a new menu. From this expanded menu, you will then want to select Settings. It's always important to know where these settings are so that you can customize and manage your account preferences. Now, within the Settings menu, focus on the main tab labeled Account. Under this tab, you should locate an option titled Domains. This is a crucial step because your domain settings are what ensure that the emails you send are branded with your specific business email address rather than Klaviyo's. Click on Domains to access the domain settings. Once you're in the domain section, look for the option that says Connect a Domain. Clicking this will start the process of linking your business domain with your Klaviyo account. It might sound technical, but Klaviyo walks you through the steps one by one, making it fairly straightforward. Next, you'll need to select branded email sending from the choices provided, and then click Next. With branded email sending, your customers will see your business's email in their inboxes, keeping your communications professional and trustworthy. It's always a good idea to give your audience a consistent brand experience, and this is one way to ensure that. Now check to verify that Klaviyo has correctly identified your brand's root domain. Klaviyo typically pulls this information automatically from your account details, but it's important to double check that it's correct. Doing so ensures that you're sending emails from the correct business address. Finally, after confirming everything is in order, simply click Next to proceed. And there you have it, you've successfully set up your Klaviyo account to send emails using your business email address. Now your emails will look more professional and reinforce your brand's presence every time you send a campaign or automated message. Thank you for following along, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.